So yeah, hi everyone. So today we are going to learn we are going to see how to use path variable in controller class. So for that we need one method, public string get hello world for first user. So we'll declare some method here, and then we need to use one annotation called path variable. Path variable string name. So we need to import this annotation and then we need to write @get mapping slash hello world slash name. Hello world plus name. Return yes. So this is how we can declare a path variable. So here this is in the flower brackets we have given name, so that name will be coming over here and we are adding that to the hello world. So let us see whether this is working fine or not. This way you can use path variable in your controller class. Let us run this application. So how to run this application? Right click on the application and then run as, and then Spring Boot app. Remind me later. So our application got started. So let us see in the Postman. So what is the path we have given? For example, /Zahir. We will, so hello world Zahir. So our path variable is working fine. So in this way you can declare a path variable in the controller class. So to use the path variable, in that URL we need to give it in the flower brackets. Inside that is the variable name, and here you need to declare one annotation @path variable and whatever the data type and then the variable name. So this way you can declare the path variable in Spring Boot application for controller class. Anywhere you can use.